What is up, guys? Welcome to another vlog. TB Drifting here. Today is going to be a very fun day because we've got a mysterious box sitting over there, and I'm really excited to see what's inside of it. I'm sure you guys are too. As you can see, we are here at the shop. I think whatever's in that box will probably be for the race car, if I had to guess, because that's about anything that I get anymore is for the race car. Race car probs, I know. Yeah, this is actually going to be the second vlog of the weekend. I'm really excited to be producing some content for you guys. I know it's been kind of a little while since the last one, and I apologize for the delay, but I don't have a whole lot of stuff going on. I'm just trying to we got a lot of saving to do for the wedding, and it's hard for me to continuously be buying parts for the car when we're trying to do that. Let's go see what's in this package. I'm really eager to see. As you can tell, I've kind of already been into it just to kind of see what might be inside of it. But let's crack this thing open. All right, let's see what's in this box here. Go ahead and move it over so you guys can see. Got some nice paper, man. Yeah. Got a sticker of some sort, and the Mac Daddy of all things. We have a steering wheel. I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys know, let you in on a secret. This steering wheel is from D&D Performance Interior, and they have decided to partner with the Tyler Berry drifting team this year, and I'm so excited. These guys, I've seen nothing but good things about them. I've seen pictures of their products, and it's just awesome that I get the opportunity to work with them. Hopefully you guys like what you see with them, and go check them out, and I will definitely link them below. Just go check their stuff out and see what you think. Just first impressions of this is just amazing. I mean, the quality it's there. It's got nice red stitching, no frays. It's got this red stripe around the top here, and it's got their name etched in it. But yeah, I mean, that's just. I'm doing the push test. A lot of wheels that you get like from eBay and those cheaper markets, they will. You can set them down on a table and you can literally bend them and touch the table with them. And that is kind of the case that I have with the current steel wheel that I've got in the car. When I bought it, I knew that it would be that way, but I just needed a steering wheel, quick, fast, and cheap. So I ordered it, but this feels so much better. I'm so excited. Let's see what else we got in this box. We have another little mysterious box here. Got some steering wheel hardware. I'll take this out and show you guys. Looks really cool, actually. It's a Neochrome. Looks really cool. I think it's gonna look awesome. Hopefully that's focusing. I can't really tell. I think that's gonna look awesome on this wheel. It's not red to match the wheel, but hey, it's a good product, and I'm gonna use it. I don't care what color it is. Let's see here. We have a quick release. I guess this side will go on the steering wheel. Pull that out. This side will attach to the steering column. Yeah, I mean, even the quality of this stuff, as I drop it, quality of this stuff looks pretty good too. It's got plenty of grease around the splines there. Yeah, it's got their name on it, anodized red. I mean, it feels nice. Goes on there, locks nice and tight. That is gonna look killer. I'm so excited. This is gonna be amazing. Thank you, D&D Performance Interiors. Once again, I can't tell you how blessed I am to be working with you guys. Hopefully I can make you proud this season and show off the product the best I can, and get your all's name out there, and hopefully you guys can get some products out of it. We got some stickers so we can give them all the support we can. And we have an anodized shift knob. This one actually looks a lot better than the current one I have in the car. The current one I have is black, and it's not this tall. It's probably about this tall, but yeah, this is awesome. Anodized red, has their logo etched in the top of it, so everybody's gonna know where I got this shift knob. This is great. I'm so excited. It's been so long since I've gotten some new parts for the race car. It's like Christmas again. Then we got this lanyard with the D&D logo on it. Probably gonna put this on my truck keys. This is awesome. Well, that's it for this box. I guess we can go ahead and put this stuff together. I think that's it. Yeah, let's go ahead and put this together.
I know you want it.
How awesome does that look?
Turn it up. Bring the noise. Turn it up.
Alright, so that's done. Now on to getting this put into the car. But first, let's take a selfie with Mountain Dew. That's some good stuff. I wish Mountain Dew could see this. They didn't pay me to do that, but I feel like with that slurp, I should be getting paid to do the Mountain Dew commercials. I don't know what I would do without Mountain Dew. Oh, baby. How I've missed you. I've only done one event in these seats and these harnesses, and I have to say that they are probably the best investment I've ever made in my whole life. So yeah, like I was talking about, this is the current wheel. It's kind of I mean, you can literally see it flexing. It's ridiculous. Like, I mean, it just goes to show that you do get what you pay for in this world. Let's see if we can get these bolts out here.
I know you want it.
And we are off. Forgot that this one had a horn. That means I'm not gonna have a horn anymore. And that was one thing that everybody commented on whenever I would go to the track is, dude, you still have a horn? Yeah, man, you gotta have a horn. So we're not gonna have a horn anymore, but it's fine. I could probably still drive without a horn. Well, I think we may have a problem. Sticks out quite a bit. I may have to go in and order a slim hub from them. I didn't realize how far it would stick out compared to this one. So see, you can see how much further it sticks out. Did not realize that that would be an issue, but I guess we'll put it on for now and just to have it on. We'll deal with it later. I might have to buy a slim hub from them. Alright, so that's on. Let's put it in there and see how she does. I'd say it will probably bring it down to about right here if we order the slim NRG kit. So just so you guys know, BMW owners, be sure and order that from them. I will also link it. Let's see, should we put it up? We'll put it right up here. We'll put it right there. See it? Yeah, just go ahead and click that, and that'll get you to the short hub that they offer, and it's gonna be needed if you have a BMW. I didn't realize I have a Momo hub, and I didn't realize how thick it was. So if you're gonna do a quick release, I would definitely recommend that short hub. Looks good. Got the Neochrome bolts there. Got the D&D logo here and here. Next thing we're gonna do is play with the shift knob. Shift knob that's on it's fine. I just with D&D sending me some stuff, I decided maybe a shift knob wouldn't be a bad idea, so let's go ahead and throw the shift knob on. Commencing shift knob change now. All right, she's on there. Don't know if you can see that because of the light glaring on it. Got the nice D&D logo there. That thing sticks up pretty high. It's like almost just like the e-brake. But I think I'll be able to grab it instead of the shifter. But yeah, made the shifter really long, which is cool. I like it. Now that that is done, kind of wanted to give you guys an update of what we're looking at as far as the engine goes. We haven't forgotten about the engine. The engine's still in process of being built. We've been working back and forth with the company trying to get everything settled as far as all the parts that we need. We've got 90% of the parts. Now we're just waiting on these last couple parts to come in. They're actually very, very crucial parts. One being a mass airflow sensor, or MAF, if you will. It's a blow-through MAF tune setup. So basically, it will just monitor all the air that comes through and supply the fuel needed. Kind of like a stock MAF, but it's designed to work for this tune. From this company. But here's kind of an update of what the motor looks like. There she is. She's looking good. She's about complete, and I've never been happier in my life. This motor is going to be a beast. I'm so excited. Got this big Garrett turbo, just ready to eat some people's faces for dinner. Yeah, I think this thing's gonna produce some massive power, and I'm so excited to see what it'll do. Everything's on it. Of course, we do have to put the valve cover on it, but there are a couple of things that we need before we're gonna put that on there. So yeah, I mean, we've got the intercooler, it's down there, as well as the wiring harness and all that. So I mean, we're about ready, and I'm super excited. The plan is to eventually cut this off and put a big dump tube somewhere, whether it come out the side of the car or down toward the ground. Go back to sleep there, darling. Everything will be okay, and we'll have you up and ready in no time. Producing 500 horses, hopefully. But yeah, it's kind of the number that I'm hoping to go for, between 4 and 5. I think that'll be a pretty competitive power range. I think we'll be able to keep up with most of the V8s, if not all of them, because that's what everybody's running now. They're all V8s, and it's not annoying because those motors are super reliable, and I can see why people are doing it, but it's just trying to keep up with it in a factory stock 6-cylinder is just, you can't do it. It's not happening. I'm at a solid 190 horsepower at the crank, or 200 at the crank, and of course it's got like 180 foot-pounds of torque, but still it's nothing compared to those 400 horsepower V8s straight out of the box. So I think that's gonna do it for this vlog today, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Sorry it's been kind of a short one, and it's been kind of a to the point kind of deal. I know it's easy to install steering wheel, I know it's easy to install shift knob, but I just kind of wanted to let you guys know the progress of the car, and hopefully you guys are enjoying the process just as much as I am. This car's come a long way, and we hope to we hope to just keep it coming. Next, I think we have the cage coming up. I'm waiting on my guy to finish up some projects that he's currently got, and then we can put mine in there and start working on the cage and stuff. And you guys will definitely be getting videos on that. That's going to be one of the biggest things that's going to happen this year in order to get ready to compete. Hopefully, we're still kind of in limbo mode on the competition thing. As much as I hate to say that, cash is just strapped right now. I mean, like I've said before, I've got a wedding to pay for, and I want to get that done before anything else. So saving for that, and then also trying to throw a bunch of money out for the Formula D Pro-Am. It's going to be a lot on me. So I'm working some deals right now to see if I can get a couple more sponsors, and hopefully we can make that possible, because I really want to do that this year. I think I've got what it takes to be competitive. I just need some practice. I need some time in the car, and we need the money to get there. No, as much as it bums me out, it's going to be all right. I mean, we can still do some local events and get some seat time with the new motor and stuff. Funds aren't there this year, and it's just, I mean, going into the competition Formula D Pro-Am stuff, it's just expensive. I mean, you're gonna need 8 sets of tires minimum per weekend. You're gonna need, you know, your cage is gonna have to be done. You're gonna need a fire suit. You're gonna need entry fee, you know, all this stuff, and it adds up. And I could do it. I could do it. I would end up working myself to death to get the money to do it, which I'm not mad. We've always got next year, so it's fine. We'll see how it goes. If I can rack up another sponsor or two and see if they can help me get through this season, we'll do it. We'll take it all the way to the end, and we'll compete and try and get us a podium place as well as a pro license. But if not, then that's cool. We'll just hang around and do some local events, get some seat time. Alright guys, I think that's going to do it for the vlog today. Hopefully you all have enjoyed it, and be sure and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, so you're updated every time something happens with the TB Drifting channel. Today has been a great day. We've installed some products. If you guys want your own D&D performance interior products, just like the ones that I've got, be sure and check them out. They've actually been gracious enough to give me a 10% off code for you guys. So be sure and check out dndperformanceinterior.com/discount/TBDrift10. And I'll actually put that link in the description below, so you guys can just click it, and then instant 10% savings there on anything that you order from them. Again, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Keep calm and drift on.